Perseverance pays off. Actually, it's just waiting around. The water level is just creeping up on the top step, so it's almost where it needs to be. Still got a while to go, but we're getting there. The water doesn't look anywhere near as bad as it did yesterday, and I think that may be due to the chlorine tabs that I put in. That's certainly helping. But if you'll notice the jet there, the water flow does not seem very strong, and we still have all of this stuff here, but the water is up far enough on the skimmer. So I think it's time that we can go ahead and open that and see if we get the air purged out. So take the gizmo out, stick in there. This doesn't feel right. Looks like they may have put it in cross-threaded, but I got it. Look at that. Unreal. Anyway, we'll put the basket in. I'm going to do the same to the other side, and then we'll go and turn the valves on. Okay, we're going to do the west skimmer first. Get rid of some of this grass here. This one here, hopefully I can open it. And we're going to get a lot of air in the pump. This is the shorter run, so now maybe you could see in the pump. It's very hard to see what the camera is seeing in the sun here. There it is there. That may have airlocked it. That may have actually airlocked it. Might have to put some water in the basket, but we'll try just kicking it on again to see. Another thing I could do is shut it for a minute. Now we get some water from the main drain again. It's building up. And it's going to catch prime. Yep, she's catching. Hopefully you can actually see that now with the new cover. Thanks again to Sharky626. We'll let that purge that air there. And try opening it a bit. A bit more. A bit more. Lost prime again, but there's water going in, so we're safe. It's coming up. There we go. It's catching on. This valve for the west skimmer, I don't know if you can see or not, it's halfway open, so it's kind of burping the air, if you will. A bit at a time, which is why it has not filled the basket yet. There we go. I don't know if you can hear the sound change. Now the valve is open fully. Give that a couple of seconds there. And it looks like it's stabilized. So the West skimmer was good. After a little trouble, we'll zoom you back out so you can see everything. And we'll open the east now, just a bit. Now this might be a little bit easier because now we got full water flow from both of these instead of just the main drain. And looks like that airlock is going to shut it. Shut the pump and let it retry. Yeah, there's water trickling in, barely. There we go. Still have the east skimmer closed, so we'll let that reprime. Definitely moving. Coming up, there we are. We'll get that out. Let that run for a minute. And there's that normal sound again. Crack it open a bit again. And we'll see now. Still a trickle of water. These were either really well blown out, or it's just being real tricky this year. Didn't want to catch prime the first time. I don't see any water, so we'll stop it again. Theoretically, you should open this and refill the basket, but we'll try again. Yeah, we got water coming in. Yep, it's coming back up. Maybe it matters if the solar is on. Maybe that's introducing air. I don't know. But we'll get her. It's catching prime once again. Sort of play with it a bit. Although I don't really want to exercise this valve any more than I have to. Oh yeah. That water turned like green. Holy crap. Oh. Whoa! Yeah, she's coming. She's coming up. I think we got her. Let that purge out. Oh yes. Oh yes. That's full water flow now. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're good. So that's now burping out any leftover air. There's some over there, if you could see. So that looks a lot better. And I'm just taking a look over here, and it looks like everything is good. It doesn't appear that the water flow is that much better, but let's check the skimmers. Oh, indeed. Indeed, there is flow. And you can see all of the detritus coming in to be skimmed. And it looks like that basket is filling up rather nicely, along with green mush over here. Same thing. This basket doesn't look like it's all the way down in. Oh, it is. It's just the parallax of the water. You can see the green when I do that. Yum. Wonderful stuff. So I'm going to let the pool do its thing for a while with the skimmers open. And we'll leave the water on, let it keep filling. And once it's really over the top of the skimmers, which should take about an hour and a half, 2 hours, then I should be able to start vacuuming. But you can see all the stuff being skimmed off the top, and I'll have to check this in, oh, maybe a half hour or so. It goes pretty quick. So this shows you what the actual function of the skimmer is. It's to skim the surface of the water. And indeed, that is what it's doing. So that's going to wrap this one up. And in the next one, I think we'll start vacuuming. So stay tuned for that.